Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss top 30 computer awareness which are very important for exams. Let's start. Question number 1. An autoresponder is a dash on mail server that automatically replies to emails. Answer: program. Next, which among the following defines Web 2.0 most precisely? Answer: B. A series of technological improvements in World Wide Web. Next, which of the following key is not found in normal computers and laptops? Answer: Turn key. Next, a hybrid computer is the one which exhibits the feature of. Answer: both analog and digital computer. Internet scroll is a term most commonly related to which of the following? Answer: e-commerce. Next, what is the use of the wheel located between the two standard buttons on a mouse? Answer: D, to scroll. Next, which are the input devices that enable direct data entry into a computer system from source documents? Answer: A, data scanning devices. Next, which is the common device used for drawing, painting or interactively selecting coordinate positions on an object? Answer: B, digitizers. Next, which of the following is the fastest form of RAM and also the most expensive, so not used as main memory but rather for which of the following is the fastest form of RAM and also the most expensive, so not used as main memory but rather for cache memory? Answer: SRAM. Next, which of the following is responsible for the fixed disk error? Answer: C, incorrect CMOS settings. Next, which of the following models of processing has the master-slave architecture as a feature? Answer: B, shared memory processing. Next, how many pins does a single inline memory module have? Answer: A, 30 or 72. Next, which of the following components of personal computer maintains date and time of the system? A, CMOS RAM. Next, which of the following is the another name given to the LCD display? Answer: B, TFT. Next, keyboard layouts are available in many scripts. Which of the following are the Latin scripts? Answer: D, all of the above. Next, what is the full form of ISV? And the answer is A, independent software vendor. Next, what is the use of Shift plus F11 in MS Excel? Answer is C, inserts a new sheet. Next, which of these data types in MS Access allows alphabets, numbers and special characters? Answer: A, short text. Next, which of these MS Access functions return the current user? Answer: D, current user. Next, which of these was the first browser to display images in line with text? Answer: D, Mosaic. Next, which of the following is the another term used for software hosting? Answer is D, all of the above. Next, what is the full form of IMD? What is the full form of IMD BMS? Answer: A, in-memory database management system. Next, which of the following computer component allows you to connect to the internet? Answer: D, modem. Next, monitors, printers, disk drives, keyboard, mouse are included in which of the following categories? Answer is hardware. Next, which of the following languages is widely known for the use of turtle graphics? Answer is B, Logo. Next, which of the following is used for 3D positioning and modeling, animation and other applications? Answer is Spaceball. Next, system area network is used to provide high-speed connection in which of the following environments? Answer is all of the above. Next, what is the default file extension of MS Excel files? Answer is A. Excel spreadsheet. Next, which function in MS Excel will be used to convert miles into kilometers? Answer is A. Convert. Next, what is fly in MS PowerPoint? Answer is animation effect. सो गाइस, ये थे कंप्यूटर के बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ like, subscribe and share this video. Be connected guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.